Okay, I've got this far. I'll just highlight this, edit, and roll in so as you can see. Right, I brought the outline up here to the end here and returned to this point, ready to begin this bit. So let me tell that generate stitches and go and pick up the satin column. Numeral 3 key, shape my nodes, and tell that generate stitches. Go and pick up the outline tool, and all I'm doing in essence is continuing what I've done in the rest of the design. Numeral 3 key, no, that's going to give me 2 square at an end, and I want that curve. And I'll take that up to the end and then back and put that about there and close this one up a bit. There we go, and then tell that generate. That's as I get that sharp point on the end. I go and pick up satin column tool and do this bit. Actually, I'm going to bring that back a bit because I want to be able to start that curve not on the end. Okay, organize the nodes. And then tell that generate stitches. And go and pick up the line tool again. Numeral 3. These stitches are going to be quite short. generate, and pick this up again. Numeral 3, it's a bit high. This one needs to curve up a bit. So does this one. Not a huge amount. It's amazing what a difference just 1/10 of a mil makes. Generate. And then go and pick up the run line tool again. Numeral 3. And now we're going into the long sweep. Now, can I get around to there? Yes. Let's move the screen over, and I'm going to have to pull out at some point. Put him into position. And let's pull out a bit. And move this over. Can't move it any further. Move him into position. Put him back on the line. I'll bring him a bit further. There we go. Tell that generate. And then go and pick up my satin column. 3 key. Couldn't find it on the keyboard for a minute. Okay. And end it here. Right. Move that little circle node. Bring that, no, leave that there, that one. Move that down there. Move this one along a bit. And this one can move along a little bit. This circle is back here somewheres. Ooh, right up against that one. Move him in. when you're working with narrow satin stitch, and this is only about 1mm wide, maybe 1.1, 1.2. If you have your stitches, your nodes directly opposite one another at right angles, your machine hoop is not moving enough to allow the needle to enter a clear, clean, new needle penetration hole. And that's what you've got to think about. And that's why I have my angles the way they are. Now, this one needs to be back here. And I need one more node here. Highlight him. Is that right? Yeah, that's the final node. So I can move this one. Thank you. Just back a touch. Wrong one, right one. Move him down into position. Generate. Okay, let's pull back. And just a touch bigger. And look at that in 3D. There you go. There's your V's. At 1 to 1, that's the size. Now something is bothering me all the way through, and that is there appears to be gaps. But there are no scissors here. So I don't understand why it's given me the appearance of gaps. The acid test will be when I actually stitch it out. Okay, now rather than give you all numb bums, I'm going to continue on the design. I will do the whole of the tail and then bring you back in for this set of what's-its. I can't think of the word. Oops. It'll come to me probably when I'm looking for something. So I'll continue with this. These now can be done in plain outline stitch, which will make it so much easier to get these made. And as I come round, I'll do the same as I did here. So I'll see you all in the next video.